I love Christmas so much because I can have a lot of memories with my family, and before Christmas I can decorate the Christmas tree. For example, I can get a lot of presents and new things, and that will make me so happy. And maybe we can bake some cookies too for Santa Claus. And Santa Claus will be super happy. Thank you for listening to my speech. I hope you like it. Bye!
Hello everyone, my name is Kashmina. Welcome back. Today, my topic is going to be why do I like Halloween? I like Halloween because it's creepy and I like to see creepy movies. The reason is I can go trick-or-treating. For example, I can collect as much of candies as I like if I go trick-or-treating. People will be dressed up like witch, like dinosaur, and I can also dress up like creepy, like witch. That is why I like Halloween.